Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over a chart update with you guys on Charging Point, as Charging Point has been on a nice run for the last couple of days. And I did want to go over a chart update with you guys, as I know a lot of people have been asking if this one is going to break out going into tomorrow and the next day, or if it's something that we should wait for a consolidated play on. So I'm going to go over Charging Point and exactly what we're going to be looking at for. Again, I do plan on playing into this one if it does break out, and I do want to look for more consolidation on this one, but I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. And again, I do appreciate a lot of you guys been showing me in the comment section. As always, you guys have been showing me tons of love. Much love to you guys. And if you guys have not subscribed, we do go all out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So be on the lookout for more of those. So again, we are going to go over Charging Point. Again, they had a nice play for the last couple days. It was on a nice run, but however, we're going to look at if it's going to continue. Now, we have a ton of volume that has been coming in. This is the kind of volume confirmation that we like to see when we are going into trades. And sure enough, this one did break out. So essentially, this one did break out of its volume point from our previous breakout point, going into around $25. And we could have traded this one going up to $31 if we were watching this volume point and that breakout. But however, we're going to look at the 5 minutes so you guys can see exactly what we're looking at today and if it's going to continue. So overall, you can see that we had that sell off from that previous breakout, and then we had a sell off, and then it came up and it continued to try to hold. And it looks like it is holding with more volume. And we are going to see if this does continue going into tomorrow. But however, you can see on the sell pressure that we are actually still having some sell pressure. We are decreasing in sell pressure. But however, with this huge volume spike on the buy volume, and we're still in the sell pressure side, shows that it is possibly bearish going into this play. So I definitely would be careful going into Charging Point at this point. But however, I do expect this one to consolidate and possibly come down a little bit and then break out again, as the EV sector is starting to get hot, and especially the EV charging sector is overall bullish in my opinion. So I almost expect this play to come down to at least our previous consolidated point that you can see here. And then we can reconsider this stock at that point. But then if at that point, hopefully it will make its second level up and make a breakout from there. And again, at that point, we would be waiting for it to break out of our consolidated point and break into new highs around $49. But however, like I said, I do like Charging Point as a very bullish play overall. But as far as short term going into the next few days, I definitely would hold off and probably take profits at this point and wait for this one to break down to around $25 again and bounce off of our consolidated point with a confirmation on the buy pressure. Now, I'm going to show you guys what that buy pressure looks like. You can see that we did get confirmation on the buy pressure as well into this breakout. You guys can see that we actually got an increase in buy pressure right here above our previous buy pressure point, and it confirmed that therefore that was going to be a nice breakout, and sure enough, it did. So again, we got confirmation on the volume, like we said, and then we got confirmation on the buy pressure. But however, you can see that we are possibly going to be selling off on the MACD. As you can see, these white shaded lines usually show that it's going to be reversing soon on a more of a sell-off. And when it does come up above our previous point on the MACD, and then we see these white shaded lines coming down, that shows that it is very bullish going into this MACD point, buy pressure going into a higher point in the buy pressure. But however, when that white shaded line comes out, when it does show bullishness, it does show that it's going to reverse pretty strong as well. So we are going to expect this one to possibly sell off and bounce off at this consolidated point. So again, Charging Point will be on the watch, but however, at this point, I would probably take profits and wait for this next dip. And again, I do plan on playing into this. So if I do see that this one does show confirmation on the MACD and the volume, then I will be posting a video on this one as well. So again, keep Charging Point on the watch, but not quite yet until we do get that nice bounce play, in my opinion. So again, much love to everybody in the comment section. As always, you guys have been showing me tons of love. Much love to you guys. God bless you guys. And if you guys do have a watch list, throw in the comment section. Anything on your mind, ask questions, throw in the comment section. God bless you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.